Hello everyone, my name is Sebastian. I work for Number 2 Project Mobile Furniture Repair Services here in Sacramento, California. Today I'm gonna show you how to diagnose and repair electric recliner frame. We just arrived at the client's house. This is the new frame that we will have to replace, and that's the old one, Legged and Plaque, number 3368. We will replace this bar as well later on. We'll show you and guide you through all the installation in this video. So I try to locate the issue, and here is the issue. There's a broken reclining mechanism. We will take off all of these bolts first. Those are 7/16s. We're gonna use a couple of tools that you see here. Those are Ryobi tools, not expensive, but they will do the job. It's not all about what you're gonna use, is how you're gonna use it. So let's just undo all the bolts first. It's gonna take a little bit of time. This extension is very helpful in the places that they are hard to reach. It's really hard to work without this extension, if I'm gonna be honest, without the on any recliner repairs. Keep everything organized. See, you gotta take this. We gotta, after we took all the bolts out, we have to take the seat out. When we remove the seat, we're gonna have a clear vision of all the parts. We're gonna take the motor actuator out of the housing. We need more space, and that's gotta be taken out because we're gonna just put that in the new frame. We're gonna take all the zip ties out. Yeah, I always use the pliers for it. I don't want to use any sharp tools because I found myself that sometimes I cut the existing wires. Really hard to work with one hand, but it's possible. Keep everything organized. Good organization will save you time. All right. Now we have this brackets for the backrest. We have to release them in order to release the backrest of the frame. You pull this little bracket, and you just push the backrest out. See, that's how it's done. So we gotta remove that. Now we have everything. Now we have everything exposed. Look at the frame. There's a broken part right here. It's not good. This one will be placed in. Now we're gonna extract all the debris we're gonna put these bolts back into the position. On these bolts we're gonna hang our new frame, so it's important just to put them back on. Leave them not tight, so it will be easier for us to put the frame in. You just slide the frame straight in. Those are the, see, that's how it's done. Frame is in, tie the bolts. I'm just using one hand with extension. I'm just probably too lazy to switch that to anything else. Here we go. Couple screws just to hold the frame in place so it wouldn't slide out of the bolts if the bolt's getting loose. This one is bad. It's the foot rest part. We're just gonna put the new one. All right. For now, let's just place the backrest back into the brackets. It's a slip in, click. We're good to go. You can see it here. We are all good. Now we're gonna put the seat cushion back in. Just slide it back, push it in. You gotta push it until you're gonna see the holes. They will line up with the recliner reclining mechanism frame. Okay, they align. Now put the bolts back. 7/16. Put everything back together. Now the footrest part. Here we go. It's all done. For this, we need the extension. With that, it's just fantastic. Job got smoother. We put the new footrest support as well. Now we're gonna put the motor back into the housing. So here it is. That's the part that I'm gonna use later. It's very handful if you're using your own remote controller, because sometimes it's really hard to adjust the motor, especially when your switch is far away. We're gonna plug everything back into the outlet so we have electricity, and we are going to use this remote controller universal one to adjust the hole to put the pin. Here we go. Got it. Now the cutter pins back. There's two of them on each end. Then we're gonna just use all the zip locks to zip everything back together. We don't need our remote anymore. We have to plug in the old one right here. Power cord. Everything is plugged. Now let's use the zip locks. And remember, try to use the pliers, any other cutting tools that may be too sharp, and they may complicate your job. Now we hook everything back together, both sides of the sofa recliner. Everything works fine. The bottom part, the footrest, is not catching the floor anymore. Job is done. But before we go, let's just utilize every good part out of the old frame. We're gonna take everything apart, all these crossbars, and there is just only one scissor that we're not gonna use, that is broken, which is this one, and we don't need it. That's gonna go to the garbage. And the other part, gonna clean it first, and it goes straight into our car, and we're gonna use it for the other job. It's a very rare recliner frame.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Now let's go down to the numbers. We spent $250 for this frame. We charged client $940. We spent 5 hours on this job. That includes diagnostics, recliner frame swap, and all the costs related to running the business. So $940 minus $250 of our cost give us $690 profit. $690 profit for 5 hours that we spent on this job equals $138 per hour. And I like this profit, and I hope you like it too. And if you want to find out more about this kind of job, please let me know, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye.